You won't believe it. Just 8 years ago, I was nearly bankrupt, struggling to afford even basic utilities. Now I've got over 2 million in my account, a Mercedes G-Wagon, expensive jewelry, and the freedom to travel wherever and whenever I want. In this video, I'll show you why trading is an incredible thing that doesn't require much to start. I'll share an effective strategy that once saved me from bankruptcy. Watch this video to the end. Hey, it's Evelyn. I've been trading professionally for over 8 years now. My win rate is over 88%. In the last year alone, I've made more than 1.5 million. First, let's set up the platform. I'll start trading with $35 and use a 1-minute time frame with 30-second candles. Now let's make a choice. As for indicator, we're going with Bulls Power, CCI, and Keltner channel. Alright, time to tweak some settings. For CCI, we'll go with a period value of 11. In my experience, periods between 8 and 13 work best. I like to stick to what I know works. Many traders like to experiment here, but I prefer reliability. Here I think I want to change the colors so they would be easier to see and help us make quicker decisions. That's just more convenient. Alright, saving. Now, Bulls Power. We'll drop the period value a little and make the indicator line thicker. I suggest you just copy these Bulls Power settings. If you got any questions, you can always shoot me a message on my Telegram channel and I'll walk you through it. Now, on to Keltner channel. It needs tweaking it for today's strategy as well. Let's set the values to 15, then 8 here, and leave the last value 1. Well, let's make the indicator lines a little thicker. Yeah, like that. And this one too. And here. So great! Now the chart looks good. All indicator lines are clearly visible and are configured for the most reliable signals. Well, friends, you can see how easy it is to boost savings with trading, especially with a guide like me. That's why I urge you not to waste any more time and take steps towards a large account balance and total freedom. Join my community of successful traders on my Telegram. My followers make impressive sums each session just by copying my signals, and I trade day by day, all for free. Can you believe it? Subscribing to my channel is the smartest decision for those who are just starting their trading journey. I try to keep everything clear and visual. Within just a few days, my subscribers get awesome results. Check it out for yourself. Click the link in the description, join my private club, and send me a direct message. Let's kick off our trading session. We're looking at the first pair. Taking a close look at the chart, we can see a downward trend forming from our resistance level with those long red candles. We're following this trend, so it's time for a downward investment. Clicking on lower. Now, the bulls might try to halt the downward movement, causing the fall to slow down. But the downward momentum is still strong. Watch closely. The red candle might hover around the same value for a bit, but I'm confident that further bearish pressure will drive the price even lower. And that's where we'll get what we want. Let's see. Just as I anticipated, I now have $67 in my account. Let's keep going. Now on to the second pair. I'm going to invest $67. Let's see what's happening in the market. Yeah. Look, it makes sense to invest in an uptrend because the candle is heading towards the resistance line. Given our entry point, this seems like the right decision. Getting ready for a call option. And let's click to go higher. This is a pretty common scenario. We discussed it with my Telegram subscribers last week too. Here the market is breaking out of a small consolidation, so the green candles will likely lengthen, reaching in the resistance line in 2 to 3 candles. That was a good trade. We spotted a classic pattern on the chart and succeed. Let's move on to the next pair. Here we are investing $128. Let's see how we can grow our deposit with this pair. Pay close attention to the chart. Yeah, we'll invest on the downside because this currency pair is in a downward trend, indicated by those long bearish candles. Clicking on lower. Here we get to trust the indicators. Bulls Power shows that bulls might try to stop the decline, as seen by those long green candles and a new one forming. However, the Keltner channel still suggests that bears will push the market down a bit more, likely resulting in another red candle. And that's how we'll make money. Thanks to my careful chart analysis, I've already made $246. Now onto the fourth pair. All right, here we are investing $246. We can see that the upward movement has stopped for this currency pair. The chart has reached its local peak and now we anticipate a price decrease. So guys, let's call in a put option, hitting that lower button. Things should be straightforward here. The asset is so overbought that the price will confidently drop with the large red candles. I doubt the bulls will be able to reverse the trend. The market will be red. Nice job identifying the peak. My deposit has grown one more time. By the way, do you really need to know about indicators and other technical analysis tips? No. On my Telegram channel, I debunk the myth that trading is only for Nobel laureates and math geniuses. I provide beginner-friendly trading strategies that I've personally tested. I also share my signals. In our last session alone, we made about 740,000. By the way, I've already reached over 15,000 members, and all that is completely free. Click the link in the description and see for yourself how accessible trading really is. Let's break down the pattern on the chart of the first pair. Here we can see that the market transitioned from growth to decline 4 times previously, indicating shifts in momentum between buyers and sellers. We can see 2 resistance lines. Here's the peak and here's the low point. However, after this juncture, the market turned completely red. The bears drove the price down, reaching a historical low, while bulls' power indicated a loss of bullish momentum in this area. Take a look at the CCI indicator. It's suggesting that the trend is weakening and hints at a potential reversal in the future. We are investing $472 here for growth, clicking higher right now. Awesome market analysis! Want to learn how to analyze the market alongside 15,000 subscribers? Join my Telegram channel for free. Check the first link in the description or pinned comment. Let's keep trading. I want to place another trade on the second pair. We'll invest $906 this time. We can see new waves of upward momentum forming, and given our short time frame, it makes sense to bet on growth. Let's click higher. Awesome one! I've made $1741. Now let's revisit the third pair. We're increasing our investment to $1,000. We can see a channel movement forming at our local minimum. All indicators confirm this. Considering our entry point, we'll opt for a downward movement, clicking to go lower. Very good. Let's keep going. Let's look at the fourth pair now. Once again, I'm prepared to invest $1,000. All indicators are clearly pointing to a price drop. Clicking on lower right now. Smart move. Account balance is now at $3,581. Not bad at all, huh? Another trade on the first pair. Investment is still at $1,000. We can see the continuation of the trend reversal towards an upward trend from our local minimum. Let's go with it. Opening a call option right now. Button. Fantastic! Do you remember where I've started from? And what a great job we did. That's what a solid strategy and reliable indicators do to your account balance. Let's keep going. Back to the second pair. Let's invest another $1,000. By the way, right now subscribers of my channel are doing the same. Alright, we can see the price still on a downward trend. I'm opting for a put option right now. Good call. Now on to the third pair. We're sticking with our $1,000 investment. Here, we are gearing up for an upward investment. Even after the reversal, this currency pair's upward trend persists. Clicking to go higher. Great result. Let's go for one more trade. Moving on to the fourth pair. Once again, we're investing $1,000. It's pretty obvious. There is a distinct upward trend here. Let's go with the flow. We'll opt for a call option, clicking on higher. Congratulations everyone! Our account balance is now $7,261. Yes! I'm a millionaire. And I buy everything I want, luxury cars, fine jewelry, and I've even bought my dream home. I travel constantly to places I only dreamt of as a kid. I've also fully unleashed my potential. I wrote a book detailing how to trade effectively. But my biggest pride is my Telegram channel, which has over 15,000 followers now. This is my community and it's where I share all my trading insights. I trade daily and post my signals for free. My followers can see exactly when and which currencies to trade. On average, each member pulls in about 800 per session. They trust me and always express their gratitude. They send me messages along with photos and videos of their results.
Thanks to your signals, thanks to your analysis,
She's basically changing my financial situations.
thanks to the information that you share in the group.
I gotta say, I didn't know anything about trading.
So if you want to start your trading career, I highly recommend you to start following her and her signals.
Thank you for responding to my messages.
Her win rate is pretty crazy.
There's a lot of people that can prove it to you.
Thank you. Mwah.
Do you want the same? Just follow a couple of easy steps. Join my Telegram channel using the first link in the description or the first pinned message. Send me a private message. I share trading signals, show how to use the trading platform down to the smallest details, even which buttons to press, for example, step by step. My win rate is an impressive 88.9%, and my participants start seeing results right when they join the club, even if they're complete beginners. Everything goes smoothly because I personally help everyone with it. Join my Telegram channel now and start getting impressive results. Check the first link in the description and in the pinned comment.